Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I will show you how to fix display pag display if you playing a game and there's a problem with display. So first you will go to settings, then tap the display in brightness and tap the full screen display of apps, and you need to press all of them. And if you press that, then if you want to just press this display at the top of the screen. So before you excited, you need to press the display, the concave area. This check. Press the check one, and all of your games will be new. Then we need to, so yeah, let's check it. Okay, so as you can see, it's full because this from camera is not complete. So as you can see, it's new. Ta-da! As you can see, it's very clean. So as you can see, it's full now. So as you can see, so please subscribe to my channel, please, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, so long.